Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Longpaksilog, Longanisa, Paksiw, Sinangag, at Itlog. Meaning, sausage, fish in vinegar, fried rice, and egg. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have scallion or green onion. We have onions, eggs. We have longanisa or pork sausage. We got minced garlic. We have calamansi. We got steamed rice, and we have here our cooked fish in vinegar or paksiw, salt and pepper, fish sauce, olive oil, and kikkoman soy sauce. So let's proceed to cooking. First thing we're gonna do is we have to cook the longanisa or pork sausage. So in our hot pan here, we'll add just a little of olive oil, so the longanisa won't stick on the bottom of this thing. The longanisa, while we are cooking it, it will produce its own oil. So let's put the longanisa in. Okay. Then we need a little of water, so the inside will be cooked, will be real tender, you know. Okay. We'll cook this for the next 10 minutes until it gets tender. So we have to cover this. Now it's covered. Okay, we have to wait for 10 minutes. Now let's check on the sausage. All right. Now this time we're gonna put some holes in it. Gonna poke it. Okay. All right. And we'll cover this again. We'll check it again. Right. Now we will separate them. Okay. Gonna cut them by scissors. All right. So now we'll make this. We will wait until this gets brownish or golden. So probably another 5 minutes. We'll cover this again. After 5 minutes, let's check on the longanisa. Wow, it's beautiful. It's getting tender now, but we need this to be golden brown. But this time, we can squeeze in some calamansi or calamundin or lemon, whatever you have. This will add better taste when it's fully cooked. So let's give it a good stir. Wow, it smells very good. There you go. Let's wait for, I should say, another 3 minutes. Now let's check on the longanisa. Wow, it's getting brownish now. Getting golden. Let's add a little of oil. Okay, there you go. And we're gonna wait 2 more minutes, I guess, and this will be all done. Now this is golden brown now. We're gonna put this aside and we'll wait for the other stuff. Now we'll add our oil. Okay, and then we'll cook our eggs. Go. Go. Now we will cook our fried rice. Let's put our onions. Give it another minute. Let's put our garlic. Give it another minute. We're doing a scrambled egg here, so give it a minute. The scrambled egg is done, so we can mix this with the garlic and onions. There you go. Alright, and this time we can put our rice. Put our rice in. Okay. All right. Give it a good stir. There you go. Let's put some kikkoman sauce. All right. Just a little of salt. All right. Then give it a good stir again. Let's put a dust of bullion here, chicken bullion. Give it a good stir. Let's put our scallion. Give it a good stir again. And this should be done. Here's our finished product, Longpaksilog. So please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.